In this video, we will explore the top 4 best benchtop thickness planners for 2025. Whether you are a woodworking beginner or an experienced craftsman, these machines offer the perfect combination of power, precision, and ease of use to help you achieve smooth professional results in your projects. So, let's get started. Number 4. VEVOR M1B LS3301. The VEVOR M1B LS3301 thickness planner is a high-performance benchtop planner designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. Powered by a 15-ampere, 1,800-watt motor, this machine reaches a cutterhead speed of 23,500 revolutions per minute. It delivers a feed rate of 236 inches per minute, handling wider and thicker boards with ease. The planner supports a maximum cutting width of 13 inches and a planing height range from 0.24 inch to 6.3 inches, with an adjustable cutting depth of up to 0.12 inch. The precision 2-blade cutter head, made of wear-resistant carbon steel and hardened to a hardness rating of HRC 55-60, ensures smooth and consistent finishes. The precision-machined cast iron bed and steel plate keep the boards flat for accurate cuts. This planner includes foldable in-feed and out-feed tables with a total working length of 35 inches for better support of longboards. It also features an easy-to-use height adjustment crank and a thickness scale for precise depth control. A built-in 20-ampere overload protector automatically shuts off power to prevent overheating. The integrated vacuum port allows for efficient chip ejection and dust control, promoting a clean and safe workspace. Whether you are working on carpentry, DIY crafts, or restoring rough lumber, the VEVOR M1B LS3301 offers reliability, safety, and professional-grade results in a compact form. Number 3. PL1303. The PL1303 benchtop thickness planner is designed for woodworkers who need power, precision, and portability in one compact unit. Equipped with a 15-ampere motor, this planner delivers up to 30,000 cuts per minute, operating at a feed rate of 26 feet per minute. It is capable of planing boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick, making it ideal for smoothing rough lumber and preparing stock for fine woodworking projects. This model includes 3 13-inch SK5 reversible blades, ensuring clean, consistent results and extended blade life. The adjustable depth of cut allows you to remove between 0 and 1/8 of an inch per pass, providing flexibility based on your material and finish requirements. The planner also features dual dust ports, 2.5 inches and 4 inches for efficient chip and sawdust removal, helping maintain a cleaner workspace. To reduce snipe and improve support, the height-adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables keep longer boards steady throughout the planing process. Built for convenience, the unit weighs 63 pounds and includes rubber grip carrying handles for easy transport around your workshop. Alternatively, the pre-drilled base allows you to securely mount the machine to a stand or workbench, such as the WENMSA 658T rolling planner stand. With its durable construction, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, the PL1303 thickness planner is a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers looking to achieve a smooth, precise finish. Number 2. LUXTER M1B E3301. The LUXTER M1B E3301 thickness planner is a powerful and portable woodworking machine built for smooth, precise planing across a wide range of wood materials. Powered by a 2,000-watt copper motor, this electric planer delivers a no-load speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute. It offers a planing width of up to 330 millimeters and a planing depth adjustable from 0 to 3 millimeters, making it suitable for both light trimming and heavy stock removal. The automatic feeding system moves material at a consistent planing speed of 6 meters per minute, allowing for efficient and even cuts. With an adjustable planing height ranging from 6 millimeters to 160 millimeters, this machine accommodates various wood sizes with ease. For precise results, the planer features a quick setting guide for optimal planing depth based on material width up to 3 millimeters depth for narrow boards and 1 millimeter depth for wider boards. The foldable support table allows for convenient storage, while the height adjustment wheel ensures accurate control over cutting thickness. The planer is made from wear-resistant metal material for extended durability, and it includes a dust outlet to connect to a dust collection system, keeping your workspace cleaner during operation. Weighing 30 kilograms and housed in a compact frame, the LUXTER M1BE3301 is ideal for workshops, garages, and portable setups, offering both performance and convenience for serious woodworkers and hobbyists alike. Number 1. DW735. The DW735 multifunctional woodworking planner is a high-performance, compact electric planner designed for accurate surface flattening and material removal in both professional and DIY woodworking environments. This planner is powered by a 2,200-watt motor, capable of reaching a no-load speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute. With a maximum planing width of 330 millimeters and a thickness range from 5 millimeters to 152 millimeters, it handles large and small wood pieces with precision and efficiency. The dual-speed gearbox allows users to select between 96 and 179 cuts per inch. Use the higher speed for smooth polishing and the lower speed for faster material removal. Combined with a 3-blade cutting system, it delivers exceptionally clean finishes even on hardwood. The feed rate is adjustable between 4.3 meters and 7 meters per minute, giving you control over both speed and accuracy. Precision features include a material removal gauge, a depth stop for quick planing depth adjustments, and an automatic 4-pillar locking system for enhanced stability during operation. Built with a durable table platform and a weight of 42 kilograms, it is compact enough for smaller workshops, yet powerful enough for heavy-duty use. A fan-assisted chip ejection system and dust outlet ensure a clean and efficient workspace. Whether you are resurfacing reclaimed wood or fine-tuning hardwood panels, the DW735 delivers industrial-grade results with reliable ease. There you have it, the top 4 benchtop thickness planners for 2025. Each model stands out for its build quality, cutting performance, and user-friendly features. Choose the one that fits your needs and take your woodworking to the next level.